Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna telling you about how to create advanced calculator with the help of ChatGPT. Firstly, write the command that, how to create an advanced calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with example. After that, OpenAI generates some lines of code. Before we get started, make sure you have a code editor and a browser open. We'll be using HTML for the structure of our calculator, CSS for the styling, and JavaScript for the functionality. HTML. Let's start with the HTML code. We'll create a simple layout for our calculator with a display screen and buttons for numbers, operators, and functions. Here's the code. Insert HTML code for calculator layout. CSS. Now let's add some CSS to style our calculator. We'll use CSS to create the visual elements and add some interactivity to our buttons. Here's the code. Insert CSS code for calculator styling. JavaScript. Basic functionality. Now let's add some JavaScript to our calculator. We'll start with the basic functionality to display numbers and operators on the screen when the user clicks on the buttons. Here's the code. Insert JavaScript code for basic calculator functionality. JavaScript. Advanced functionality. Now let's add some advanced functionality to our calculator. We'll add the ability to perform advanced mathematical operations like square root, exponent, and factorial. And that's it. You've just created an advanced calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We hope you found this video helpful and feel free to modify the code to add more functionality or improve the styling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.